Very tasty. Chicken Mandi Bendi Masala. Fry the chicken pieces slightly, okra, and slowly saute. The gravy is so good. Look at this. Nice, beautiful, and awesome chicken curry. Namaste, Salam Alaikum, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome back to another session with your Vahchef. Today we're going to make chicken Mandi Bendi Masala. This is again, one of the favorite recipes and where tamarind is used, and I used to make kai curry mandi and all that. In that we use this toddy-like liquid. This toddy-like liquid will give you excellent taste, but this is nothing but rice. When you wash, the white residue come, that is what this is. This will give a very nice texture and the gravy like thing for this preparation. So lot of times this vegetarian mandi curries, kai curry mandi and all that we make. So today I'm going to add chicken and make. I'm going to use peanut oil. One or two friends of mine on our Vahchef channel are asking for chicken mandi. I'll definitely make this, but first you will see our South Indian mandi chicken. In this we're going to add the chicken pieces. Fry the chicken pieces slightly. Once the chicken pieces are fried, take it in a plate, and in the same oil we're going to do the tempering. The mustard seeds. When the mustard seeds sizzle, in this add the Gundu mirchi, the round chillies. This is available in most of the shops, or you can buy it online also. Add garlic, curry leaf, add onions. Onions also, slowly fry them. Because of the frying of chicken in this oil, there is a lot of flavor. In this we're going to add turmeric, add okra, and slowly saute. Add ginger garlic paste. Fry this okra till they are nicely fried. Masala that is stuck at the bottom, it will give a very good taste. It should not burn. It should have that nice golden color. So let this okra also fry in this oil like this on a slow flame. Slow frying of this okra, and then we're going to add tomatoes, the tamarind water, the chili powder, coriander powder, some green chili, and also we can add some baby onions. We're going to add this toddy-like liquid. I told you, we washed the rice and we got. This naturally has certain amount of thickness. We will bring this to a nice boil, and also we're going to add the chicken. This is very easy and tasty recipe. You can add some roasted peanut powder. Make sure that the peanuts are roasted well. This is to give a beautiful consistency for the gravy. This chicken with the okra will cook into a fantastic gravy, and whatever that was stuck at the bottom, lies slightly brownish, that will melt away and also add good flavor and taste to this gravy. Now add salt so that okra, everything cooks along with this salt in this gravy, so they get the nice taste. Always add little less, leave some room to add some salt in the last. Now don't mix them, stir them, anything. Let it simmer on a slow flame and cook it for another 10 minutes, so that this is a perfect gravy. The gravy is so good. Surprisingly, on the web, a lot of people, they don't watch the videos of the chicken bendi and all that, but the bendi do pyaza with chicken and all that, it's very popular and very tasty. Even with dokra, this curry will be amazingly tasty. First, let me also the thing is awesome tasty. We're going to add some salt. Because of that rice water, the gravy has come excellent, and also roasted peanut powder. And in this, just add some chopped coriander, and this is all ready and perfect. I've got the rice and the bowl ready to serve. Look at this nice, beautiful, and awesome chicken curry. When you make this, if you have noticed, I've used chicken which are little bit bony and not really excellent pieces of chicken. Look at this, the beautiful sauce, this garlic and all the things, and maybe a chicken piece here and there. These shallots, best of the best food is made at homes, and all you need to do is use the various techniques what you learn here. Always make food fresh. Whenever possible, serve food hot. And with every bite, you're going to say, With this chicken and okra, this is very famous. Even in Africa and all that, I've seen that they have eat a lot of this okra and chicken. Dear friends, make this the South Indian mandi And I promise you, I'll come with the Arabian style chicken mandi for you guys with the biryani and all that. So with this, excellent chicken and bendi, the combination, the feeling what you get, the sticky kind of feeling in the mouth is just awesome. Whenever as a kid, when I used to cut these okras, and these okras get nicely stuck. Put all over your face, make funny faces. As a kid, we used to do it. Grown-ups also can have some silly fun once in a while at home, not on a YouTube channel like this, because you will be too silly. Very, very tasty. This way, this dish will be 10 times more tasty. Try it.